How to convert photo into anime in Pixar 2024. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how you can use Picsart as your free AI design tool and convert any photo that you have into anime. So to do so for yourself, you're going to come over to Picsart.com and you're going to click on Get Started for free. So here it's going to ask you get started with email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. So you can go with anything that you would like to sign up with. I'm simply going to go with, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. Now, once we've done that, it's going to load us into this dashboard where it says you can either use the Plus plan or the Pro plan, or you can start your 7-day free trial. You won't be charged until your trial ends. So you can choose your trial according to yourself. But currently, as you can see, we are on the free plan where we can only use 100 megabytes. When it comes to converting your images into something from anime, what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to come over to its AI tools section. Now, once you've come over to the AI tools section, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come down here where it says AI anime generator, and you're simply going to click on the generator. Now, once you have done that, it's going to basically say turn your words into anime with the anime AI generator. So you can basically awaken the anime auteur inside with the Picsart anime generator. So here, what you can do is basically you're going to write in any prompt that you want. So let's say I'm going to write man jumping into, let's say, Bermuda Triangle. Okay, so you're going to add in a like that. And once we've added our prompt, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on generate. Now, obviously, you can generate on the free plan. You are going to need to improve your plan. This is basically how you're going to convert photo into anime in Pix. So, yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.